Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have this huge, oh my gosh, it's huge and heavy Stampin' Up! Haul. So I cannot wait to show you. Some of it is from game night that's going to be happening here soon, and I'll be packing those up today. And some of it is new product, so we'll get a sneak peek of what's to come. And then some of it is also, what else is it? Oh, prizes for game night. And we've got paper that's gonna be out for the paper share. So, oh my gosh, just so much stuff. What's this here? This is sheep dies. I got this free. They are dies that go with the counting sheep. This, as a demonstrator, we get to take part in celebration a month early during our pre-order. So I earned this by spending $50, and then I earned this by spending another $50. So got those. What else do I have? I got the biggest wish. Got some of those. So that'll be cool. What else? Oh, festive and bright. That's going to be one of my classes. So I've got that. There's also dies that are going to be with that. The textures and frames, that's another I earned for free for celebration. So I'm excited about that. What else do we have? Oh, I got another counting sheep. And is this the... Nope, this is the festive finishes. So this goes with this stamp set here. So I got those, and I'll show you all of these, but I'm gonna be doing some classes, and some of these products are gonna be focused on. This is gonna be a prize. I know, you guys, I need to do my nails. Next time you see me, my nails will be done. I got a block. That's gonna be a prize as well. So it's not just a prize, the whole entire set of blocks is gonna be the prize. This is basic black. Oh, this is a photo album for the memories and more. That is going to be a prize on my game night as well. I've got some of these senior years, so grab those. What else? Brush metallic adhesive back dots, you guys, those are coming out and they are adorable. I love them. I wasn't too sure, but I wanted to try them before, and I think I'm going to be using them as a DIY. What else do we have? We have some pages for our Memories and More book. And of course, you have to have Memories and More cards to go with that. So this is going to be a prize. We're going to be playing bingo. We're going to be playing pick a prize. We're going to be coloring. We're going to be playing colors. And I had to get this. This was another freebie. They're 6x6. It's called Bedazzling. You guys, I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, there you go. Look at that. They are gigantic, like little glitter pieces. So it's like glimmer paper, but they're huge. Look at how big those are. Those will be part. Oh, I also, in case you have not received catalogs from me, I will be sending an email out to all of my customers, and I'll put a link in case you needed to get some catalogs. If you've purchased from me within the past year, you should be getting a catalog sent to your home any day now. And then if you have not received one from me, make sure you let me know if I am your demonstrator of choice. Okay, now here we go. I have to take the whole box out because there's tons of stuff in here. So I will be cutting paper for a while. But I wanted to get all the papers. And we've got, what's this one? Gingerbread and peppermint. Super duper cute. I have this one already, but I had to get a couple more. This is Cute Halloween. If you're not subscribed already to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I'll be going through each of these individually. This one is called Penguin Playmates. This, oh my gosh, sometimes you just need to see it in person. This is called Peaceful Place. This is Harvest Meadow. You might have seen this one before. It came back, Heartwarming Hugs. This one is adorable. I have this one already as well. It's called Sweet Stockings. Another one called Painted Christmas. We're going to be using that in one of my online classes. So if you have purchased the Tidings and Trimmings, this will be coming in your kit. And then I didn't even know. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. Can you see that? I know the ring light is kind of being goofy. But there we go. It's so glimmery and glittery. And that one's called Whimsy and Wonder. I cannot wait to open these all up and show you. So we've got all of that, you guys. I'm so excited. And I will be, again, if you want to go to BeautyandtheStamper.com so you could sign up for the newsletter, go ahead and do that. That way, when I send out the newsletter and you need to get a new catalog or how to sign up for the paper share or how to sign up for the game nights, you'll be able to do that because I send all that information via email. So, all right, beauties, I hope that you enjoyed watching all of this kind of sneak peek. And again, if you want to partake in next month's class, go ahead and get that Tidings and Trimmings. It'll be down below on BeautyandtheStamper.com so that you can check that out. Alrighty, I hope you have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.